Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to test the AC compressor clutch on this 2006 Dodge Durango. If this video is helpful to you, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. So first off, go in there and pop your hood. So we're going to get into this fuse box right here. Squeeze these two tabs, lift the lid. There's a diagram on the back here that tells you that this is your AC clutch relay right here. So you're going to pull this out. I already loosened it up. So we want to jump these two pins right here. So I've got a paper clip here, and I'm just going to touch them in there. Do you hear that clicking sound? That's our AC clutch over here, engaging and disengaging. You can see it moving right there. So we know that the electromagnetic clutch inside that compressor is working correctly. So the clutch tests good. So then we can just replace our relay. And we're all set. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.